Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. It is a Wednesday morning and I am off headed to work. I get there about 7:30. So I wanted to take you guys into a day in my life and get you guys to come with me to work. First things first, this morning I'm working by myself today, which means that I have all 13 kindergartners by myself. Don't know when I'm gonna get my lunch, which is okay, not worried about it. But I need to get some fuel going in order to get my day started. So I'm gonna run over to the Starbucks that is about 3 to 4 minutes away, and then head over to work. And then I'll show you guys kind of what we do throughout the day, how we do it, and then, just how their schedule goes, and we'll go from there. So join me as I get ready to go to Starbucks. I have no idea what I want just yet, but I know that I definitely want a cream cheese Danish for breakfast. And then I also would like to get some type of Frappuccino. Okay, so I've made it to Starbucks. I think I'm gonna either try to order, I don't know, a caramel ribbon crunch, or I'm gonna try to order this Hocus Pocus drink that I tried to come here for the other day before I had to work from home. But I guess we shall see, because this line is long. I have less than 30 minutes to get to work, but also to get my drink made and up to the window. So of course, quick update. I have a sub in my classroom. Do I really want her in my classroom? No, I don't. I like to be alone, and I like to, do what I need to do for me by myself. But I guess it is what it is. So first things first, I come into the classroom. If I beat my coworker there and I start taking chairs down after I put my bag over at my desk, what I tend to do is just take the chairs down, put it under, make sure that our morning message is up and ready to go. If she did not do it the day prior, I also fix our schedule to make sure that it says that the kids have arrived. And then I make sure, like I said, that the morning message is up here, and it is. So then I go ahead and get the internet going on the TV. The kiddos start working and doing morning stuff, and then from there, we just did our question of the day. The question of today was, do you like fall? The kids either answer yes or no. And so eventually, the kiddos go outside, they do literacy, they have lunch, they go to math, and then eventually they get to do purposeful play. And towards the afternoon, they also get to do reading books. I created these myself. These are books where they get to pick 5 books, sit down and read them. When they're done, put them back. This is our writing area where the kiddos come over and just pick up anything. And so here are my lesson plans for the day and of course for the week. 10, and so 11, most of them 12. Chose they do like fall. Kids are at art with the sub. I'm not really happy that I had a sub, just because I've said it before. Not really wanting to have somebody with me. But anyways, trying to get this screen. Yeah, trying to get the stuff back up and running. So anyways, we've done everything such as math, literacy. They played outside, they did writer's workshop. So let me just kind of show you guys the calmness of the room. See how quiet it is. So when they come back, they'll have snack, and then we'll have purposeful play, where they will pick different parts of the room to go to. We have things such as dramatic play, train set, art, sensory bin, Legos, cozy corner, construction. They can also do blocks. They'll take their names that are here, put it somewhere, only 4 people to a center at a time. I am gonna wipe down tables this afternoon, and kind of get everything together before I get ready to go. I have a couple things I need to do, like putting headphones back, lunch for tomorrow, trash, get rags out of here. This is a mess. But right now, I'm on break, and I am planning my stuff for Vlogtober. Just like that, the day has ended. I'm headed off to get my son to take him to an appointment, and I am done being the teacher for the day.